Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal benefits. They are great to snack on any time of day. And most men who know the incredible sex-boosting powers of pumpkin seeds will agree that they are truly small but mighty. Commonly referred to as pepitas in most parts of the world, pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed in various ways. You can roast and season them with spices for a crunchy snack. Add pumpkin seeds to your soups or salad for more flavor and nutrition, or simply use them as toppings for your yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. In today's video, we will be sharing with you the best ways pumpkin seeds can work wonders in the body. And you want to do well to stick around to find out chewing pumpkin seeds at night can help improve sexual performance in men. The first benefit of pumpkin seed is that it helps to prevent heart disease. The tiny green seeds of the pumpkin fruit are rich in magnesium. Magnesium is a vital mineral needed by the body to help relax blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and support proper heart rhythm. Chewing pumpkin seeds regularly has also been linked to a decrease in levels of bad cholesterol in the blood. This is especially beneficial to older adults, as it helps reduce the risks of developing stroke and heart disease. Another valuable health benefit of pumpkin seeds is that it helps to lower blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which helps slows down the absorption of sugar from the digestive tract. This helps prevent increase in blood sugar levels after meals. In one study of over 100,000 adults, it was found that people who consumed a magnesium-rich diet like pumpkin seeds lowered their risks of developing type 2 diabetes by 15%. The third health benefit of pumpkin seeds is that it helps to boost the immune system. The immune system is especially important in the body as it helps to fight against diseases and infections. Pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E and zinc. These are two essential minerals needed to boost the immune system. Vitamin E helps to increase immune responses and protects the cells of the body from free radicals. Free radicals inhibits the formation of new cells in the body, which is not good for the immune system. Zinc, on the other hand, helps to provide a protective barrier in the body against pathogens, allergies, and infections. Poor sleep is another big problem for many adults in today's modern society. Working late or binge-watching movies into the night could be the reason why you find it difficult to get quality sleep after a long day. But did you know that a poor diet could also result in poor sleep? Luckily for both of us, pumpkin seeds are rich in tryptophan. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that is beneficial in treating sleep disorders. The magnesium and zinc contents of pumpkin seeds also helps in boosting quality sleep parameters. Magnesium helps the nervous system by reducing stress and promoting relaxation, while zinc helps in the secretion of melatonin, an important hormone needed by the body to promote rest and relaxation. Snacking on pumpkin seeds at night can surely improve overall sleep quality and help treat insomnia. The fifth benefit of pumpkin seed is that it helps to promote bone health. Strong bones is important for both older and younger generations. For older adults, it is especially important to consume a diet rich in bone-strengthening minerals to support movement and physical health. Luckily for us, pumpkin seeds are loaded with bone-strengthening minerals such as phosphorus and magnesium. Magnesium helps to regulate the metabolism of calcium in the body, which helps maintain strong bones. While phosphorus is a main component of bone tissue and is essential for bone mineralization and density. Obesity is another major issue in today's modern society. And as you may already know, it's not an easy task trying to lose weight. But with a high-fiber diet, you can actually lose weight fast if you know how to. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber and proteins, which helps to keep you full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps the body to properly utilize calories and reduce the chances of weight gain and obesity. The seventh reason why you want to chew on pumpkin seeds regularly is because of its anti-cancer properties. Pumpkin seeds contain carotenoids and phenolic compounds. These are antioxidants that helps neutralize free radicals in the body that damage cells in the body, reducing the risk of cancer development. The phytochemicals, such as lignans and phytosterol in pumpkin seeds, also have cancer-preventing properties. Lignans and phytosterol helps regulate the growth and death of cells, which prevents the growth of cancer cells. Now, this is where we spill the bean on how eating pumpkin seeds can help improve sexual performance in men. The tiny green seeds of the pumpkin fruit is rich in zinc. Zinc is an important mineral that plays an important role in men's sexual health. Zinc helps promote healthy sperm production, which in turn helps to boost men's fertility. Pumpkin seeds are rich in leucine, which is important for testosterone production. This can help increase libido and sexual function in men with erectile dysfunction. In a 2021 study of 73 men, it was discovered that pumpkin seed extracts, especially the oil, was able to reduce the symptoms and development of benign prostatic hyperplasia. At the end of the day, relaxing to a handful of pumpkin seeds could be all you need to set the mood for a romantic night. The protein and fiber content can help keep you full and provide you with the energy and good feelings needed to boost sexual performance in both men and women. And if nothing else, you already know that it could help you find quality sleep after a hectic day. It is important to note that you want to consume pumpkin seeds in moderation to avoid common digestive conditions like gas or bloating. This is due to the high level of fiber and protein in pumpkin seeds, which can be difficult to digest quickly when consumed in excess. The recommended daily consumption for pumpkin seeds is 30 grams, which translates to a quarter cup. If you think pumpkin seeds are a must-eat for everyone, kindly let us know in the comments section. Do make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss any of our stomach fit videos. See you next time.